Yeah, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Agowa, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. And in this video, we shall be looking at Amazon affiliate niches that has high commission rates. Severally, I've talked about affiliate marketing as one of the means of making passive income wherever you are in the world, be it Nigeria or any part of the world. Like I am in Nigeria, and I've been into affiliate marketing and I've been making money from it. So, if you're into affiliate marketing, definitely you must know Amazon because Amazon is let me say one of the affiliate program that most people that are into affiliate marketing are actually running here in Nigeria. And the good news is that Amazon is already coming to Nigeria. The news is already spread. A few days back, we already know that Amazon is trying to build the office in Nigeria. And at the moment, they're actually hiring staffs and employees. So that is that. So if you want to make use of this opportunity and start making money today. So I shall be introducing you to some of the Amazon affiliate niches you can start today and make money from it because they have high commission rates. So definitely, many people have been asking also, Chibuzo, can I actually join the Amazon affiliate program if I don't have a website? The answer is yes, you can actually do that. I've done a video concerning that, and if you missed the video, definitely that means you're not part of this channel because subscribers of this channel already know what I'm talking about. So if you missed the video, actually, just for you, actually at the top I'll place a card in this video, yes, that will give you a link to that video so you actually watch the means by which you can do that. But in this video also I'll be talking about it subsequently even as we move on. So without wasting much of your time, I shall be introducing you to the Amazon affiliate niches that have high commission rates. What are commission rates? Commission rates are actually the money you've been paid or the percentage you've been paid once you actually make an affiliate sales either from your website, from the YouTube channel, or whatsoever. So if you want to know how to join Amazon affiliate program in Nigeria or any part of the world, then this video is for you. If you want to know how you can join without a website, this video is also you. So with that to make it clear enough, I will be going or taking you down to my laptop screen whereby I shall be introducing you to the niches. It doesn't come from me. I didn't do a particular research from, but Amazon actually revealed this, and that is what I'm just passing to you. So to do that, let's dive into my laptop screen. So let's go.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So you're welcome now to my computer screen. So like I said from the start, Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. Now what we do here is a technology related channel. And what we do here is that we actually dish out tutorials on a daily basis and we cover topics such as affiliate marketing, mobile apps, phones, computers, and how-tos in general. We teaches people on how to do lots of things. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notifications so I get notified whenever I release another videos just like this. So now let us go down to business, which is revealing to you the Amazon affiliate niches that has high commission rates. And like I've told you from the beginning, that commission rate is actually the percentage you will receive once you make an affiliate sale. So if you should look at this is the Amazon homepage, you discover that you have various categories whereby you can actually start writing about and you can make certain incomes once you join the Amazon Associate program or Amazon Affiliate program. Both words or statements are used interchangeably. So there are various categories, but you are actually joining an affiliate marketing program to make money. But the thing you should know is that you shouldn't just dive into a niche because it has a high commission rate. There are certain factors you might consider as a digital marketer, and one of them is joining a niche that has low competition keyword that has low competition, which you can easily rank for, and people search for your enter a query and arrive at your website. And once they make buy from your affiliate links, you can actually make certain amounts of money. So if a niche is difficult, it's not advisable to dive into it because it has a high commission rate, because it will take you lots and lots of work before you can actually start making money from it. So now let us go down to business. What, like I said from the beginning, this is coming from Amazon itself. As you can see, this is my inbox, and this is an email address, and this is my email, and this is an email message I received from Amazon Associate, and I'm an Amazon Associate. I've talked about that before. So now it said increase rates and out live. And what are the categories or niches? Categories actually, because you can actually write or derive a niche from categories. So it says 12 categories from, let me show back scroll up from so you see it's now live. Earn more 12, earn more in 12 categories with higher rates. So if you should look, they listed just a few. So if you click on and more, it will take you to this page, as you can see. And what are the categories which you can derive a niche from? The first one is from here, it says kitchen. Kitchen, the rate has been increased from 4.3% to 8.5%. So you can see you can actually start writing about, or you can actually derive a niche from the kitchen category. The second category is language, which has been upgraded from 4% to 8%. You can see the percentage of increase, which is 100% increase. The next one is personal care and appliances, which I believe most people are actually in this niche, and you can easily join it today. But the most important thing, like I said from the start, is to look for keywords that are easily ranked for on the website. But it's, maybe, for example, if you want to go into maybe ads or Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or whatsoever. But if you want to get traffic from search engines, you can actually go into niches that has low competition. So the next one is electronics, which I belong to. It has been upgraded from 4% to 7%. The next one is home. It has been increased from 5% to 7%. The next one is home improvement. It has been increased from 3% to 7%. Beauty, which most people are also in this niche, yes, especially for the ladies. And I've seen lots of beauty people are into the Amazon affiliate program that and this beauty niche around YouTube. You can start it to that as a lady if you know much about beauty and also personal care. So the next one is automotive. It has been increased from 4.5% to 6.3%. Then we also have camera. Camera also, I have talked about camera and also run on this also. It has been increased from 4% to 6%. We have the furniture and we have the sports. So you can see, and the last one on the list is the lawn and garden, which yes is a weird niche actually for Nigeria. But if you're in this place just like the United States of America, you can actually start and make it, or you can easily dive into any of this niche. So like I said, this is just a short video, and this is what I want to introduce you to now. Consider, let me answer the question we people ask that can you join Amazon affiliate program or associate program if you don't have a website? The answer is also yes. Yes, you can actually join the Amazon affiliate program if you don't have a website, but you have a YouTube channel that has gained lots of video likes, and maybe you can easily reach out to lots of people through your YouTube channel. Yes, you can join to the YouTube channel. So if you want to learn how, like I said, at the top of this video, I'll place a card. You can click through it, and you can learn how to do that. And also, most people ask, I don't have the money to buy a domain name or maybe to buy a web hosting, then how can I join? But I want to blog. I want to write about blog. I said, I want to have a blog. Yes, you can also have a free blog on the Blogger platform. I've also talked about that in my channel, and that's the more reason you should be part of this channel. I am not saying this because I wanted you to hit the subscribe button, but you can easily, yes, because you can always be part of the channel once you hit the subscribe button. Yes, like I said, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification. Automatically you'll be receiving updates whenever I receive, whenever I do videos that are important to you. So yes, you can actually join. You can actually own a free blog on the Blogger platform. And if you want to learn how to own a free blog on the Blogger platform, I will place a card at the top, right at the top, yes, of this video that you're watching just now, and you can easily click through the link and learn how to create a free blog on Blogger, whereby you wouldn't purchase the domain name and neither will you purchase hosting. Everything is totally free. But the only thing is that it will have blogspot.com domain. Yes, your niche, be it wristwatches.blogspot.com. So that is the way to appear. So if you're okay with that, yes, you can watch that video and learn how to do that. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. And also own a YouTube channel, start the YouTube channel today. Grow your channel, then from there you can start using YouTube Shorts or maybe videos, creating a long form video just like this and make your money. So with that, we'll come to the end of this channel. And I believe if you find this video informative enough, you can easily give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are confused in any way, go to the comment section and ask your question and I'll attend to them. So give it a thumbs up. Yes, it makes the YouTube algorithm to push this video for people just like you who wanted or needed this information to see and learn. So Blog Infotech is the name of the channel. How to and technology related channels. So if you've done that, you're part of the family. So we'll see you in my next video. So bye bye for now. Take care.